Hi Angel, my name is Michaela and I spoke with you on the phone today. As mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to go over your website with you, show you how to get new leads from just your website, as well as discuss the different issues that Google looks for when ranking websites along their Google platform. To start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at 3 specific aspects when ranking websites on that platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect, is going to be content. And when I say content, I mean anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So you do have a good little bit here, and that's it. So not a ton of content. So let me give you an example for why content is so important, as well as give you a little reasoning behind it, okay? Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Well, why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. I did look at some of your competition in the area, and they aren't ranking very high for content right now either. So I say this as good news to you. If you get adequate content put on your website, then Google will naturally just start moving you up the rankings, regardless of any other aspect that I talk about today. So it's actually kind of a no-brainer in digital marketing world. Content is going to be the biggest factor for growth within your website. With that said, on every additional service page that you offer, we typically recommend anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content per page. With this, it does 2 things for you. It allows you to add more content to your website, which what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So the more we have, the easier it is for them to move us up the rankings. But it also allows us to put keyword-specific search words or keywords into your text, which allows you to be found when people do just basic Google searches. So a keyword, for reference, is anything people type in here. So for instance, carpet cleaning, Bowling Green, Kentucky. As of right now, you're not even showing up for that because that exact phrase is not listed anywhere in your website. So what we would want to do is get good content as well as get appropriate keywords. I see like carpet cleaning service here you have, but we want appropriate keywords for your area. That way you get exposed and show up in more searches. Right here, this is called Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're getting 0 traffic to our website, primarily because we're not ranking for keyword searches. So again, when we look at the keyword that you are ranking for, Angel's Restoration, which is the business name that you have, you're at position 53, meaning you're on page 6. So again, people aren't even finding you unless they type in your specific, like your actual name of your business to find you in your area. So what we want to do is we want to be able to be found easier, right? Anytime someone needs water damage repair or mold remediation or carpet cleaning or upholstery cleaning, all the different services you offer, we want those keywords to be in our website so that we get found for them, okay? Next, I'm going to tell you about these 2 numbers. I do see here that your UR is pretty high and that you're showing up as #1 on the list. Good job there. We do recommend that you still get citations even though you're up on top, just making it harder for any competition to beat you out. This is going to be great with getting you actual visibility, getting more exposure, but that's also not giving a lot of people to your website. It primarily gets people calling you, which is still great. Business is business, right? But we're just trying to help direct more people to you by optimizing that website. And another big factor that's going to help that is going to be DR. DR directly relates to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website has a link on another business's website. So think like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Those are going to be 2 really good examples because they have a lot of traffic as well as they are trusted by Google. So what happens is when a good referring domain like one of those hosts our backlink, a lot of their influence that they have actually points back to us. The more influence that we have pointing back to our site causes this DR to go up. showing Google that we are a trusted site. So when we become trusted in Google's eyes, they kind of naturally just start putting us in front of more people. So people who really get a lot of business and have massive growth in their business have high UR, high DR, high keywords, and the three of those things are going to result in high organic traffic. Just to recap, we do recommend you get between 1,500 words on your homepage alone. That's going to help you get found by Google and beat some competition. So we need to add a little bit more here to your homepage. And then add additional content to every other service page that you offer, averaging between 750 to 1,000 words. That way we can appropriately put keywords for your area that people are searching for and get you ranking for a lot more keywords, getting you in front of more people, as well as getting good quality backlinks to direct a lot of influence back to our site and continue getting more citations, even though we're in #1, just to make our UR go up and make it harder for anybody to beat us in the competition. Well, Angel, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this information helpful. Please send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video. If you have any questions also, let me know. But for now, that's all I have. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.